Good evening, good evening. Look at time I even now. 18 after 6. 18 after 6. I'm in the bush I walk and look for cow. This cow what me have is an unruly cow. Anytime she drop me one she, my friend and family, I'm selling her. Anytime I find her from when me not can find my bull. Farmer's life no easy. Farmer life no easy. Friend, me I tell you, me not talk you know, you and Mr. Jones and Mr. John and Mr. Paul. Me not talking to me, I talk young farmer, a farmer who decide to start something, but you know have no place to pin up them and then really. Remember it's not easy. It's not go easy, not an easy road. It's not an easy road. I have this cow over 3 years now. And this cow if you get in and come on my yard, and me used to carry him over every evening in my yard, make sure I give him water in my yard. And this damn cow wouldn't come home if he get away. His son again, me go to my auntie funeral, and the woman, two me know say boy, me not get a chance to come move him in the evening. Me let him go. That man take up one gun, both in business. Me no no catch somebody catch him in gun, both in business. And me whole day yesterday I walk and look for him. Can't find him. You see me? Over today 9 days. Cause it says 8 days today say me can't find him. And now he might get up. Can't time for nothing. If you no tree, then big old turning tree. If I not then tree, me a time for me can't time for nothing. Hey! Me I tell you now. Cause me know enough people coming and farming and see it a sell smooth and say it a go sell smooth. Me as a struggling farmer coming up from one goat, one sheep and reach much goat and much sheep. Me not tell no lie, me go through hell. Me go through struggling. Me go through rough edge. Me go through people who want overthrow me in my own thing. You see me? Me say go through people who want use me. You understand? Me go through all and something there. Because people see think it easy. And when I tell them say boy not easy, them feel say boy this and that. And when them give an animal, them feel say you must do everything. And then them just laugh and you struggle and suffer and go through all the stress. Me a high blood pressure and only God no more keep me every day with them and goat yeah. You understand? And me have to just exercise faith and one part of me lose so much that right now losing come like nothing. If you how me lose in this goat business. But me gain too, I'm not gonna tell you no lie. Me yeah, he helped me enough time. So I'm not gonna tell you, but you know, it's a game where you have to play. So it's a lose and win game. You know, it's a lose and win game farmer. So me I tell you say a long time I to get to send out some video. Can I go through some look something? Some of them I want to talk about and some I don't want to talk about. Some of them I want to talk and bring some grievance. You understand? But I go through some hope or something for you past time I send up my video. And subscriber, please like and subscribe and share to man because I meet one or two people where just see video. Share, like and subscribe. Make the video can turn, make me can even make some money too. And more maintenance in my farm now. And it's easy. And for my farm, see them want wire past some of them land where you see bun down. And I can't wire it up because I can't, if farm now produce the amount of things they produce, the amount of goat we need. As Jamaica, I said they need how much 1,000 or 40,000 or how much 1,000 worth of goat meat. And we don't produce so much. Because we are thief, we are dog, we have struggling to go through everything we are go through as a struggle. You understand? We have a struggle. We have the breeder them now breed for sell no meat, you know. Them are breed for sell me and you the little farmer. Expensive goat. Every time you hear new genetic you come to Jamaica, new genetic. And guess what happen? The money can't buy one car gear for drive for one of them. Just one little ram. One something we can't dead in a minute. 500,000, 250,000. You understand? So they just like put the pressure upon you would like make you feel a way. And the government I say, Ray, yes, but the man them not to grow for sell no meat, them a grow for sell little farmer. And with that no for we not to go get for try. And then no matter tell us say he can't go get a flow in. But we need clamp down. We need clamp down upon the man them we are kill the goat them and sell them He place them where I buy meat from the farmer, from the man them when claim to them a farmer. We need clamp down upon them. We need clamp down upon them man because if they don't have no buyer, then can't kill it and sell it. You understand? If they don't have no buyer, then can't kill people things, then can't thief people things because how rough it is. So the night a fall. You see it? I may feel up and down in a bush. I look for my animal. You understand? And other farmer out there say they move them things. So, you know, easy, brother. You know, easy, not a pretty road, it's not an easy road. And then man thief for things and go sell it and laugh and drink out the money. Not to do nothing good with it, you know. Drink out the money. You know, friend them on roadside just to show off. While we out here struggle. Yes, everybody has say, boy, standard graze, standard around things and you know a system and put in a system. Yeah, but who have a system, you know what them do? They not graze, them not raise to sell meat. Them are raised to sell farm and because why? Because see, they can't maintain the amount of goat to sell meat every month. You understand? So them have to have one goat to sell for 200, 300,000 once or 2 times a year or 3 times a year. You understand that? What is that? What is that? You understand? Me not see that in that day. Me want can sell one 4 rammy a month time, no year time, month time. One 4 rammy. And that me I try to do but what? We want some land for fence up. That's the only thing me can say. Want some land for fence up. Because if me get some land for fence up, then me can keep me goat them in a one way where me can then just multiply. Cause me not talk about genetic, you know. Yeah, me not talk about that man. Cause guess what happen? That a few breeder. Me no breeder. I raise more I raise and sell meat. And that's all me do want to try milk and milk give me a shake me up one day. Milk rise me pressure. So me get me jappy. And that's all right now me I look for one good farm over the past 4 days. But just when you have unruly